What if I told you that the secret to a ridiculously flavorful herb garden isn't about weeks of hard work, but a few simple tweaks you can make tonight? Look, I get it. You look at your herb garden, the basil, the rosemary, the mint, and it's fine. It's green, it's growing, but it's not really living. The flavor just doesn't have that punch you were dreaming of. And you still find yourself buying those sad, overpriced plastic boxes of herbs at the grocery store. That ends tonight. We're about to go over 3 secrets that will seriously supercharge your herbs by morning. Now let's be real. Are your plants going to magically double in size overnight? Of course not, that's not how plants work. But what will happen is a dramatic, noticeable boost in their flavor, their aroma, and the sheer amount of usable leaves you can harvest. We're not chasing impossible growth, we're chasing potency, and that is something you can absolutely change, almost instantly. The first secret is all about timing, and it's probably the easiest win you will ever get in your garden. The biggest mistake most of us make is harvesting our herbs at the wrong time of day. We get home from work, start thinking about dinner, and run out to snip a few sprigs. It makes perfect sense, but you're leaving a huge amount of the flavor behind. Here's why. Your plants are basically little chemical factories. During the cool, dark hours of the night, herbs like basil, mint, and oregano are busy producing and storing the aromatic essential oils that give them that incredible taste and smell. Think of it like the plant's perfume. It's at its absolute strongest in the cool of the morning. As soon as the sun's heat kicks in, those amazing, volatile oils start evaporating. So when you harvest in the afternoon, you're getting a plant that's already lost a lot of its punch to the sun. So here's your first mission. You don't even have to do anything tonight, besides maybe set an alarm. Tomorrow morning, go out to your garden after the dew has dried, but before the day gets truly warm. This is your golden hour. This is the window for peak flavor. Bring clean, sharp scissors. Please, don't just tear the leaves with your fingers. That crushes the plant cells and can invite disease. You want a clean, surgical cut. For bushy herbs like basil or mint, find a stem and cut just above a set of 2 leaves. When you do this, you're actually telling the plant to send out 2 new stems from that spot, making your plant fuller and more productive. For herbs like parsley and cilantro that grow from the middle, harvest the big outer stems first, cutting them way down at the base. This lets the younger inner leaves keep growing. Now take those herbs inside. Smell them. Compare that aroma to the herbs you picked yesterday afternoon. The difference will be immediate and frankly astonishing. This one tiny change to your routine gives you herbs that are profoundly more aromatic and flavorful, and you haven't added a single thing to the soil. Our second secret is something you can do tonight, and it's all about eliminating a hidden stress on your plants. An herb that is even a little bit stressed about water is an herb that's putting its energy into basic survival, not into making delicious, flavorful oils. The soil might not look bone dry, but that cycle of thirst and recovery is what dulls the flavor. So tonight, before you head to bed, go check on your herbs. And don't just look at them. Get to know them. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil right next to the stem. Is it dry? If it is, your plant is thirsty. Give it a deep, slow watering right at its base. Try to avoid splashing the leaves, since that can encourage fungus. You want to soak the soil so the roots are encouraged to grow down deep. Now for the magic trick, the moisture lock. Tonight, you're going to tuck your herbs in with a blanket of mulch. Mulch is one of the most underrated tools in a gardener's world. It insulates the soil, holds in moisture, and keeps weeds out. And you don't need anything fancy. Store-bought cedar mulch is great, but so are shredded leaves, pesticide-free grass clippings, or even straw. After you've watered, spread a 1 to 2 inch layer of mulch on the soil around the plants, but leave a little breathing room right around the stems to prevent rot. This simple blanket does 3 amazing things overnight. It stops the water you just gave them from evaporating. It protects the roots from any weird temperature swings. And as it breaks down, it slowly feeds the soil. You're creating a perfect, stress-free environment for the roots. By doing this tonight, you're making sure your herbs wake up tomorrow morning completely hydrated, ready to pour all their energy into one thing, creating the amazing flavors you're about to harvest. And our third secret is all about fueling the flavor factory. Herbs are solar-powered, the leaves are little solar panels, and sunlight is the raw energy they turn into everything that makes them so good. More light directly equals a higher concentration of those essential oils we love. Most of our favorite herbs, basil, rosemary, thyme, oregano, are sun worshippers. They need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct, unfiltered sun every day. Any less, and you get a leggy, pale plant with a weak, diluted flavor to match. So tonight, I want you to do a little light investigation. First, think about your indoor herbs. Are they sitting on a kitchen counter miles from a window? Are they in an east-facing window that only gets a little bit of weak morning sun? That's not going to cut it. Tonight, move those pots to the sunniest window in your house, usually a south-facing one. Get them right up close to the glass. And if you just don't have a sunny spot, a simple, cheap LED grow light on a timer is the best investment you can make for your indoor garden. It will guarantee your plants get the 12 to 16 hours of quality light they're craving. Now for your outdoor herbs. Go outside and really look at their spot. The location that was perfect in May might now be shaded by that giant tomato plant or a leafy tree. Is your potted rosemary on the patio only getting 4 hours of direct sun? Find the sunniest spot in your yard, the place that gets blasted with sun from mid-morning to late afternoon. First thing tomorrow, move those pots. This one simple move can be the difference between bland, forgettable herbs and the powerful, vibrant flavors that make a meal sing. You're not just moving a pot, you're repositioning your flavor factories for maximum production. So that's it. 3 secrets that don't need fancy tools, pricey fertilizers, or weeks of waiting. These are simple, smart adjustments you can make tonight and tomorrow morning to completely change the quality of your herb garden. Let's do a quick recap. First, the dawn harvest. You're going to harvest in the morning to capture all those amazing essential oils when they're at their peak. Second, the midnight moisture lock. Tonight, you'll water deeply and add a layer of mulch to get rid of water stress. And third, the strategic light shift. You're going to find the sunniest spot and move your plants there so they can soak up all the energy they need. By making these small changes, you're working smarter, not harder. You're giving your plants exactly what they need, right when they need it, so they can create the incredible flavors they are capable of. You can stop buying disappointing herbs and start harvesting excellence from your own garden starting tomorrow. If you're going to try one of these secrets, I'd love to hear which one it is. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're growing. And if you found this helpful and want more simple gardening tips that get big results, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help more people discover how joyful gardening can be. Now go on, go supercharge your garden.